Gametogenesis. Here, the process by which gametes are produced by the gonad is called gametogenesis. The process of sperm formation is known as spermatogenesis, and the formation of ovum is called oogenesis. So, the gametes are the only link between generation, and their nuclear DNA is the depository of all those genetic information. As we know that DNA is the genetic material and it carries information from generation to generation. During the process of gametogenesis, the germ cell undergo meiosis so that in gamete, number of chromosome is reduced to half and the gamete have haploid number of chromosome. क्रोमोसोम नंबर हैप्लॉइड हो जाता है. यहाँ phases क्या होते हैं? There are three sequential phases. Phases of multiplication, phase of growth, phase of maturation. Now, spermatogenesis. What is spermatogenesis? Formation of sperm from the seminal germinal epithelium of the seminiferous tubule of the testis. Germinal epithelium contain primordial germ cell and tall somatic cell. That is also called Sertoli cell, and these Sertoli cell provide nourishment to the developing cell. These Sertoli cell anchor the differentiating cells and provide nourishment to the developing cell. Now there are two phases: formation of a spermatid and formation of sperm. There is a formation of a sperm take place. Now formation of spermatids. Here, phase of multiplication. First of all, spermatogonia cells divide repeatedly by mitosis division, forming new cells. Some of these cells move toward the lumen of seminiferous tubules and enter to the growth phase known as primary spermatocyte, and some of cells produced this way remain in their original condition and continue to divide, giving rise to primary spermatocyte, that is called stem cell. Phase of growth: spermatocytes and their nuclei enlarge in size. Phase of maturation: each primary spermatocyte undergo first maturation division, which is reductional division, and two daughter cells are formed, each with haploid number of chromosomes. These daughter cells are called secondary spermatocytes. Now, secondary spermatocytes again undergo second maturation division, which is simple mitotic division, which this way four daughter cells are formed, which are known as spermatids. So, each spermatocytes give rise to four spermatids. Now, formation of spermatozoa or metamorphosis of spermatid. Now, transformation of spermatids into spermatozoa is called spermiogenesis. Here, the spermatozoa are then known as sperms. During process of metamorphosis, a non-motile spermatid is converted into motile sperm. Now, spermatids increase lengthwise. Nucleus shrinks by losing water from the nucleus sap. Two centrioles of the spermatid get arranged one after other behind the nucleus. One is proximal and other is distal centriole. Mitochondria spiral is formed around the axial filament. The mitochondrial sheath is called Nebenker. Golgi complex undergo same changes to form acrosome, which covers the nucleus as a cap. The cell membrane of the spermatids remain as an envelope over the entire mature sperm, including its tail. Now, all these changes together result into a typical sperm cell containing head, middle piece and tail. During the process of differentiation, and development, sperm have their head embedded in the Sertoli cell from which they get nourishment.